Firefighter on Capitol Hill now facing upgraded charges. The victim forced to call his fellow firefighters for help after 911 delays. Fox 5's chief legal correspondent Katie Barlow live in Northwest D.C. tonight with the latest. Kate.
Hey, good evening, Kenneth. The 17-year-old who is accused of shooting off-duty firefighter Zeke Jackon on Capitol Hill on Saturday night is now charged with armed robbery and carrying a gun while committing a crime of violence and aggravated assault while armed. All three of these are upgraded charges. But before we get into those details, Fox 5's Sydney Persing sat down with the victim last night, less than 24 hours after all of this happened.
He put the gun up to my chest, and he was going to kill me. I grabbed the barrel of the gun and I pushed it away, and as I did, he pulled the trigger. 911 isn't answering at all. A neighbor comes running out and he says, "What do you need me to do?" I said, I've got pressure here. I need you to get your phone out, put it on speakerphone, and call my firehouse.
D.C.'s U.S. Attorney Jeanine Pirro announced the upgraded charges under D.C.'s Title 16. That allows her office to charge juveniles between the ages of 15 and 18 as adults for certain violent crimes, including robbery while armed. Pirro emphasized the facts of the case to justify the charges. She said that the 17-year-old demanded Jackon's phone. Jackon handed it over, and then the teenager put the gun to his chest and ordered him to unlock the phone. Pirro said because the phone was handed over along with everything else in Jackon's hands, the robbery was completed, which gives her office the ability to invoke Title 16. The 17-year-old was previously charged just with attempted robbery.
What I have done is I have spoken with Mayor Bowser, and we are analyzing this situation and the call, what time it came in, how long it took to get the response out, and we are very coordinated. And if we think that there is additional help that's needed, we will certainly ask for it. But right now we're working with the mayor, and she's been very responsive. And it looks right now like it was pretty good.
That was Pirro's answer when we asked whether her office would consider requesting federal resources from the surge to help the Office of Unified Command. Jackon had complained about the long wait time when he called D.C. 911. OUC said in a statement to Fox 5 that they received more than 20 calls within 10 minutes regarding a shooting in that location. The initial call came in at 10:11. The call was processed, and D.C. Fire and EMS dispatched at 10:12 and PD units at 10:13. The defendant was presented in court today. According to Pirro's office, he faces a mandatory minimum sentence of 5 years behind bars if convicted. But under the Youth Rehabilitation Act, which Congress is currently considering getting rid of for D.C., a judge could actually ignore that mandatory minimum sentence for anyone convicted under the age of 25.